Welcome to visit Optic Technology Shenzhen Co. Limited. This is 60W jewelry laser welding machine with 40 joules. Here is manual video for the machine. Unpack your machine, and there will be 4 small boxes inside the machine wooden box. Number 1 microscope with 10x. Number 2 power supply C, able protection lens and tools. Number 3 foot switch and plastic water tube. There are 4 set screws on the microscope base. The first step is to fix the microscope first. Next step, connect the laser foot switch and power supply. Prepare 1.7 liters of purified water, or distilled water. In order to protect the life of the machine and the cooling effect, pure water or distilled water can better protect the optical system of the machine. Next step, connect the plastic water tube. One side connect the machine water in, another side connect water tank. The machine capacity 1.6 to 1.7 liters water. Next turn on emergency and key switch on the machine after touch panel is on. When the touch panel is on, press password for water pump suck water. The password is 667788899. Once machine fill up water, after press on of the machine. Wait 30 to 40 seconds, that the machine will working.